friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how we can manage microfinance business in Jainam Software. So for more videos, please subscribe our channel from YouTube. And if you want to see in different languages video, so just use the subtitle from the YouTube. So from here, in the customer, I will go to the summary. So here, if I go to the assigned to, so these are the employees of the company and I have assigned some customers to that employees. So if I click to Akash, so you can see 4 customers is assigned to Akash. Now, I have given some access to Akash. So from the HR management, I will go to the access control list. So here I will select Akash and here some access I have given to the Akash. Now let's log in for Akash. So this is Akash login, you can see, and from the field collection, loan collection list, I will just re-log in again. So from the field collection, loan collection list, here you can see he has done today's collection 2200, but still showing 4 loans is still due. So for example, let's say this customer member 2. So member 2 has 2800 due and you can see here, and the customer is paying now by cash. So I will just receive from here, and if I go and check here, you can see member 2 loan number 28 2800 has been received by Akash. Now this customer Mahesh Jain, this is also paying 6000. So we can just receive this 6000 from here, or let's say this customer is paying now just 2000 and just receive. So now I will just again refresh this loan collection list. So here you can see today's collection 7000 he has done, Akash has done, and now Mahesh Jain has 4000 due. So here in the follow-up comments we can do the follow-up reminder. So for example, let's say customer is paying remaining amount next week. So we can just make the follow-up reminder for next week of 16 January and add this follow-up to the list. So now I will just sign out from here and let's log in for the admin. So this is admin login, and here you can see in the head office we can set any multiple branches that I have created. So I will just set the head office and let's go to the collection report, collection by staff. So today's collection I will just refresh. So here you can see that Akash has done 7000 collection, and whatever admin done collection, that is already get verified automatically. So if I click to the Akash, so here you can see the graph also. From 11 to 1 p.m. he has done collection. On the same day from 4 to 6 p.m. also he has done the collection. So total collection done by Akash is 7000. So this type we can check the collection reports and we can do the paid collection also in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.